it's Orit here with Estetino Artists. Welcome to our channel that's filled with tutorials on making money online, marketing your business, and mindset for growth. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Zoom and how we use Zoom for our business. This is going to be a little bit of an inside scoop on how we use Zoom in our business, not just for one-on-one client consultations and meetings, but also with potential partners that you might need to network with, or just anybody in general who can be of value for your business. So I'm hoping this video might give you some ideas for how you can use Zoom in your business. Our business is very educational based. We do one-on-one consulting or coaching for YouTube. So we help people start their YouTube channels, and we also help people, we'll do sometimes video editing lessons with Camtasia over Zoom, and it's super useful because both of those things require us to share our screen and just converse one-on-one with our clients. So we enjoy using it. We used to use Skype, but we found a lot of our clients had this reaction like, Skype? Oh, okay, I have to get Skype. And most of them were using Zoom, so that's why we switched over. I did create a video comparing Skype and Zoom if you are interested in that. I'll put a link to that in the description below. So the first way that I want to show you here is that we actually have Zoom integrated with our booking software. So we use a software called Schedule Once, and it's really an automated, all calendar inclusive booking. So it integrates natively with Zoom, with Google Meets, with GoToMeeting, WebEx, and also integrates with your calendar, whether you have that on on your Microsoft or Outlook, or if you're using Google Calendar. It has a whole bunch of different integrations, so it's really versatile with that. And it also allows you to accept payments if that's something that you're wanting to do. So what I particularly like about it is, number one, the interface of what it looks like for the client. You can really customize down to the detail of what this looks like. This background can be totally different. The color changed to your brand. And I love how it gives you an opportunity to kind of connect with you and put your email address in different social network sites, your website over here, with a little bit of a blurb from you and an image. And it's just very professional looking. That's something that I wanted to find. So you can see here, as the client goes through the different times, which by the way, you can set absolutely everything, again, down to the detail, which days you want to be available for booking, which times. It does work like similar to, other booking softwares have that function as well, of course, like Calendly and everything. But I just love the professionalism of this tool, and also the versatility of being able to really expand our consulting business if we want to in the future, and really automate things. So you can see here, I clicked on a time, it's going to show the time, and then the person will just enter in their name, their email. I put a note as well. You can put in any sort of fields here and what you want to request, the information from your client. And then when you click done, it sends an email to your client automatically with, you can see here it says bookings confirmed, this is a virtual meeting, so the details have been sent to you. And you can customize this again depending on what you want to do. So I'll show you here on this end. You'll see I got an email, I'm the client, saying booking is confirmed, and when I click on that, automatically it has the link. It generates a new meeting link, a new Zoom link every time someone books. So the link is right there in the email, so that when it comes time to the booking, I'm just, as me as the client, just clicking on that, and I have the meeting passcode, everything ready already in here. And on my end, I'll show you what it looks like. As the coach or the consultant, it shows me that someone's scheduled in, it shows me who it is, and also again the details, so that we're both on the same page. And this is all done automatically. So when someone books in through our website, or if I'm having a conversation over email, I'll just right away send them this calendar link, and the rest is done, and all I need to do is just show up on the day. So I really love that piece about it. And I love how as well that I can set up different booking pages for different audiences and different events. So let me just show you here. So you can see here we have different booking pages and different events. So you can put multiple events. Events is the type of booking that someone is doing on that page. You can create a separate page for each type of booking, but you can also have just one booking page and get people to book multiple events. So whether it's the Camtasia lesson or whether it's the clarity call or the YouTube consult, which is cool because they can also kind of see what else you do. And you can see here in the activity that it shows me, it'll put a list of all of the upcoming meetings, and you can see myself, I'm booked in here, and it's super easy to just cancel or reassign it. So that's how we use this whole system with Zoom integrating into what's called it's called Schedule Once, but Schedule Once is the booking tool that is put out as a product by Once Hub. I can also embed this calendar onto my page if I want to, like onto my website. I can do that as well. There's many different things. Again, I did a lot of research on different calendars when I was first signing up, and this is really the most versatile one that fits for our business. So in terms of, booking client meetings, maybe you're doing student, teacher, one-on-one meetings, that kind of thing. This is really cool. And by the way, I'll put links to, Zoom, Once Hub, and everything in the description below, so you could go check them out for yourself. In terms of like business partner meetings, or just networking meetings in general, you meet someone, you want to see if there's synergy with your business, I'll go into Zoom and create those meetings separately on my own. So we have our Zoom account here that I'm logged into, and what I'll do is I'll go into meetings and I'll schedule a new meeting here. And what happens here, you can see the booking that came through, by the way, through the Schedule Once calendar. It's in my Zoom right here. So I can either click on that link that was in my email to start it, or I can come into my Zoom and click on start. So I love how they speak to each other that way. And this appointment as well, I integrated it so that it goes directly into my calendar. It's all automated that way. But going back here into Zoom, so what I'll do if it's just like a one-off meeting, I'll schedule a meeting. And by the way, I have a video tutorial on how to schedule and host a Zoom meeting from start to finish. So I'm going to put that link in the description below so you can check that out if you want to learn how to do that. But once that meeting is scheduled, it'll show up in here in the upcoming. And again, once it comes down to that date, I'll hit start, and then that's it. I really enjoy Zoom. I love, there's no sort of weird connections that have come up with Skype before. I love how seamless it is, and it's just an all-around professional video conferencing tool to use. So what do you guys think? How will you be using Zoom for your business, or how are you considering using Zoom for your business? I'd love to hear more from you. Please leave me a comment down below, and if this video was helpful, please support this channel by giving it a thumbs up and also subscribing for more good stuff coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.